Be ready? Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, I had introduced the bill some time back in respect of a vital matter which has been engaging the attention of various sections of our society. Stop. The matter has been discussed by several forums like various political parties, universities, bar associations, state governments, and so on. Stop. The matter is regarding what should be the relationship between states and what should be the relation between the center and the states in our polity. Stop. The founding fathers of the constitution advisedly envisaged a two-tier system for the country, one at the center and another at the state level. Stop. And they suggested that there should be a coordinating forum to harmonize relations between the union and the states in various fields. Stop. India is a very large country and a centralized administration is not compatible with the diversity or the efficiency needed for such a vast country like ours. Stop. Article 263 was thought of as a way out to coordinate and harmonize the relations between the center and the states and between the states themselves. Stop. Unity and diversity were accepted as natural in a situation like ours, and they provided a device, a mechanism, an apparatus to deal with situations which may lead to conflict or controversy between the states and between the union and the states. Stanza. Mr. Vice Chairman, India has been divided and divided in the past. Stop. The problem of unity was a major concern. Stop. At the same time, how to protect the autonomy of the states, the regions was also important. Stop. That was uppermost in the minds of the constitution makers. Stop. So, Article 263 was brought in deliberately for this purpose. Stanza. The constitutional arrangements envisage division of powers between the states and the center. Stop. It also envisages common subjects which fall within the purview of both the central government and the state governments. Stop. Three lists were drawn up. Stop. There is the union list, there is the state list, and there is the concurrent list. Stop. But while working this arrangement in the last 4 decades, there has been a persistent tendency of over-centralization of power, concentration of power in the union government. Stop. The union government has been slowly and steadily taking over some of the functions, some of the powers which legitimately belong to the state governments. Stop. This caused tension naturally between the center and the states to a great extent. Over.